friends, Heidi here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. Well, I was going to put this slideshow together anyway and figured I'd share it with all of you. Now, as some of you may know, about a month ago from the time you're seeing this, my father-in-law passed away, and I did share that story, and I'll link to that video down below. But it was, the timing happened to be right after Patrick and him got back from a road trip around the US. And Patrick took tons and tons of photos, and it was a really just wonderful time for both of them, getting to do something they either hadn't done in many, many years or seeing things that they never got to see before. And so that's what this slideshow is about. Also for remembrance of my father-in-law, Rufus Guffey. And he was a very good man, a wonderful father-in-law, dad, grandfather, and great-grandfather. He just loved all them little babies, and he got to see them all one last time before his passing. So let's get onto this slideshow, and I do hope that you enjoy it.
Uncle Dan, right?
Yeah, California. Grover Waltrip gave him a shovel and he gave him a job and clean out ditches. He threw the shovel down and he said, "You get me a long handled shovel. I ain't using this little short one."
Shovel like this one?
Yeah. He wouldn't use it.
Oh, because of that short handle on there.
Yeah, the short handle.
This is more like the wagon y'all used to use for hay, huh?
Yeah. Had one of these old turning plows.
Oh yeah, every yard had one of them, huh? Pitchfork, and that's what you use that wagon back there. That's what you use that wagon for.
We went through it after he got it ready to pick up. Shocked it, putting shocks. And the horses pull through it. One or two guys would get on the wagon, and a couple of guys on the ground take pitchfork and throw it up, and they stack it.
Oh, I got you.